Hari Nani, many thanks, sincerely, Jane and Michael Banks.
Hi, I'm Kelsey Fowler, and I play Jane Banks.
Hi, I'm Zach Rand. I play Michael Banks.
My name is Cassie Leonard. I play Jane Banks.
Hi, I'm Neil McCaffrey, and I play Michael Banks.
I'm Allison J. Horowitz, and I play Jane Banks. I'm Marlon Sherman, and I play Michael Banks.
Right up here, this is our dressing room. Our dressing room floor.
Our floor. As you can see, our lovely sign. The role is so humongous and crazy. We're in like the whole show, really. Like, we really have no downtime except for intermission. So there are 3 girls and 3 boys who are Jane and Michael, and we rotate the roles. Bag of questions. Ooh. Do you think of each other as brothers and sisters? Definitely yes, because of Marlon and I haven't been doing it as long as they have with each other, but definitely because we've seen each other around at Broadway Kids and stuff like that, and we spend a lot of time with each other, getting to know each other by doing like silly jokes and stupid things, of course, and saying all these silly things, but it's really fun being with one another. 2, 3, 4. How do your parents help you working on Broadway? My parents do a really big part. My brother does nothing. Except to come see my show. And if we're on standby, we have the whole show just to hang out and backstage and play games and do stupid things. We have our 4th floor rules in the hallway. No balls, no remote control cars.
Tom Kosis, our resident choreographer, for Halloween he gave us remote control cars. And so we were like driving them around the hallway, and that's how the rules got started.
No negotiating or bargaining about this. You have been warned. Underline, underline, underline.
Which Banks kid would you say is the funniest?
Ta-da! My Mary Poppins hat.
Neil is such a ham.
This is the girls' robe. It's
good
in pink.
Oh my gosh, he is a lady lover. He goes up to people, hey, I got a hit line for you. Want to listen to it?
Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by again?
How do you feel at the end of a performance? Tired? Excited? Definitely both. It depends on the day of the week. Like if it's Wednesday, I'll probably be very tired. But if it's the weekend, it's the most exciting thing because the audiences are crazy. Like they'll clap and scream for hours and stuff like that.
Have you learned any life lessons from the show's story?
Definitely. I think mostly just to just realize that your dreams are there and that you can reach them no matter how hard you try, and you can get there and succeed and just keep trying. And I think we're pretty good examples of that because we all really wanted to do this and to get this, and we all succeeded, and it's pretty cool.